Forget the cheetah. Meet the real speed king of the planet, the peregrine falcon. When this bird goes into its signature stoop dive, it hits speeds of over 240 miles per hour. That is faster than a Formula One car. To survive that kind of pressure, they have specialized baffles in their nostrils, inspired by jet engines to keep their lungs from exploding. They don't even grab their prey at that speed, they just ball up their feet and punch other birds right out of the sky. It's the ultimate high-speed interceptor. If you could travel at 240 miles per hour, where would you go first?